Welcome. Today, we are going to learn about a powerful tool in algebra called the substitution method. We will focus on the easiest scenario, when one of our equations already has a variable solved for. The substitution method is a technique for solving a system of equations. The key idea is to replace a variable in one equation with an expression that is equal to it from another equation. This clever swap allows us to simplify our problem from two equations with two variables down to just one equation with one variable, making it much simpler to solve. This method becomes incredibly straightforward when one of the equations is already set up for us. You should always look for an equation that already says y equals something or x equals something. This means half the work is already done. Here is the system of equations we will be solving today. The first equation is y equals 2x plus 1. The second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 16. Notice that the first equation is already solved for y. Our first step is to identify the isolated variable. In our system, the first equation, y equals 2x plus 1, clearly tells us what y is in terms of x. This is the key piece of information we are going to use. Now for the substitution part. We will take the expression 2x plus 1 from our first equation and use it to replace the variable y in our second equation. The second equation becomes 3x plus 2 times the quantity 2x plus 1 equals 16. With our new equation, we only have one variable, x, so we can solve for it. First, distribute the 2, which gives us 3x plus 4x plus 2 equals 16. Combine the x terms to get 7x plus 2 equals 16. Subtract 2 from both sides, leaving 7x equals 14. Finally, divide by 7, and we find that x equals 2. We have found that x equals 2. The hard part is over. Now we take this value and plug it back into our simple, original equation, y equals 2x plus 1. This becomes y equals 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So, y equals 5. We have found our solution. The value for x is 2, and the value for y is 5. We write this as an ordered pair, 2, 5. This single point is the only solution that will make both of our original equations true. To recap the process, first, find the equation that's already solved for a variable. Second, substitute that expression into the other equation. Third, solve the resulting equation to find the value of the first variable. And fourth, plug that value back into the simple equation to find the second variable. That's all there is to it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.